Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.
This is a 2008 Lexus GX 470, a drive and shape that provides endless luxury. It has a 4.7-liter, 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, a sunroof, leather seats, a navigation system, cruise control, a premium audio system, a CD player, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, and this vehicle has fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. This Lexus has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Now that you've seen the car of your dreams, come see the dealer of your dreams. Sewell. Service, sales, and efficiency so obsessive, you'll want to pinch yourself.